choice. She is confident of victory because she knows what life has taught her. That beauty is power.
Welcome to the Edor Style channel, and for this beach wave look I'll be using a spritz, heat protectant, and my favorite serum by Paul Mitchell. I love this serum since, I don't know, back 2012. I'll be listing all of the product info in the description below. And I'll only be using this much of product. It's super intense and can make your hair look extremely greasy. I'll mostly be using the serum at the ends of the hair. I'm going to start with my first section. It's pretty much like a medium section, and I'll just make sure to spray my heat protectant and I'll just dive on in. So for most of the lower part of my head, I'll be using the iron with the barrel going face up, so you can see the two barrels coming out. It gives it a different texture when you turn the barrel around. So I find it a bit softer when you turn it the other way. So you'll see me switch side when I get a bit higher. Okay, so throughout this whole video, you're gonna see me giggling. I was watching one of my favorite shows right now. It's called Why Women Kill. It's so funny. It's super clever. The writing is just... If you watch the show, please comment down below so we can talk about it. So I'll keep putting the wave pattern up until the ends of the hair. I like my ends to be a bit straight, but do you, okay? Do you. As I'm going higher into my head, I'm gonna start putting the iron a bit lower. I don't want that crazy like 70s look where your hair was super crimp and super poofy. That's not what we're going for here. It's a bit of a remix, so it's a bit more relaxed. So the lower you go when you get higher, the less poofy your hair will look. I've turned the iron around just to give it more softer look, and I'm going to continue going a bit further from the root of the hair just to not get too much of a poofy effect. Alright, so this is how it turned out. I really like it. I usually spray some texturizing spray when I do curls like this because I love a messy look. I'm always here for a messy look that you did on purpose though. That looks good. I didn't have any, so this looks a bit more clean, but I find it really cute. You know, I have to shake it. It's kind of like when you're trying new pants, you have to dance in it. Is that just me? No? Yes? Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next video.